She mentioned in this today. One was question number 30. We are watching what is given S is equal to 3 into 10 plus 1 by 5 level. If sum is equal to 3 into 1. One means already sum is given in this. 1 to 5 level. So what we have to take it as n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to S is given as 350. Transpose to that side, then n into n plus 1 is equal to 3 into 351. Then if you multiply what is n square plus n is equal to this is 7 of transpose 7 of here n square plus n minus 7 of is equal to here. Now we have to take the factors of 7 of such that you get 1. So 7 of 2 how you factors q 3 5 1. Next, you just like the 3 was the 3 was the least level. 3 3 is a 9, 3 9 is a 27. This is what 9 was 18. So still in the group. Even 3 was a 3. So we got like this 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 30. We have the different combinations. Now what? 10 like this 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27, and 2 into 30, 26. So 27 is one factor, 26 is one factor, so we should take plus 27 and minus 26. We can write that a square plus 27 minus 26 n minus 7 of 2 is equal to 0. So you can take any common here, n plus 27 minus 26 common again, n plus 27 is equal to 0. So what we can have 10 plus 27 n minus 2 into n minus 26 equal to 0. So what n plus 27 is equal to 0 or n minus 26 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 27 or n is equal to 26. Number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 26 is the correct answer. Question number 30. Okay, one by one after first I listed what are the mentioned before. After the I asked you to mention your doubts. We clarify later. Can you hear me? Or by one. Okay. This is done. Next problem. Question number 27. Question number 27. Let's copy question answer here. Understand better. Flight of 600 kilometers and aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed per trip was reduced by 200 kilometers per hour, and the time is increased by 30 minutes. Find the duration of flight. So here, total distance is given. Distance is given 600 kilometers. We do not know speed, average speed of the flight. So let us take average speed of flight. The x kilometers per hour because we do not know, we have to find it. After finding, actually they're asking time, but first if we know speed, we can find out time. X kilometer per hour. So here what happened? Because of weather, it is reduced by 200 kilometers per hour. So we have to find time in both the cases. Original time will be time is equal to distance by speed formula. So here in the first case, what it is 600 by x due to weather, bad weather is decreased. Speed was reduced by 200 kilometers per hour. So what is the speed then? Therefore, speed is equal to x minus 200 kilometers per hour. But there is no change in the distance. So time t2 is equal to 600 by x minus 200. This is the second case time. Now here increased, time is increased by 30 minutes because speed is decreased, time is increased by 30 minutes. So T2 is 30 minutes more than T1. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 30 minutes more. Means what? Half an hour. We should substitute here. First case, distance by speed, second case also distance by speed. Or in the first case, speed is x kilometers. Second case, because it is 200 kilometers, it is decreased to x minus 200. 600 by x is 600 by x minus 200. In the second case, 30 minutes more it is. So that's why T2 minus T1 is equal to half. So substitute here. Then we get 600 by x minus 200 minus 600 by x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we should take x in here. We get 600x minus of 600 of x minus 200 by here it is what x into x minus 200 is equal to 1 by 2. We simplify further it is 600x minus 600x 1 0 minus plus 6 to the 12 all zeros 4 zeros 1 2 3 4 by now it is x square minus 200x is equal to 1 by 2. Here what happens? Plus 600x minus 600x cancel. If we do cross multiplication, x square minus 200x is equal to plus 2 into 1,20,000 is what 2,40,000 is equal to, this is our quadratic equation now. Now we have to solve it. 2,40,000 factors such that we get 200. 24 factors, if you know, we can find out 2,40,000. 24 factors are about 6 and 4. 6 minus 2. Here also 600, 400 are the factors. 600 and 400 minus 600 plus 400 you have to do. So x square minus 600x plus 400x plus 2,40,000 is equal to 0. Now what? X common, x minus 600 plus 400 common, again x minus 600 is equal to 0. So what is x minus 600 into x plus 400 is equal to 0. So one time x minus 600 is equal to 0, x plus 400 is equal to 0. So what, x is equal to 600 or x is equal to minus 400. So therefore what is the speed of the flight? Speed of light is 600 kilometers per hour. But they are asking time. Now once you know speed, time is equal to distance by speed. So time is equal to distance of 600 kilometers. And speed is what? 600 kilometers per hour. 600, 600 cancel. So what is the duration? 1 hour. If it travels with its original speed, it will take 1 hour to reach the destination. So, since we have question number 30 is completed, question number 27. Question number 25. Sriram will be there again. I don't know which step he did not get. It's very simple. Whenever time, distance, speed related comes, time in the first case, time in the second case. Time in the first case, 600 by x. Time in the second case, 600 by x minus 200 because 200 it is reduced. Then t2 minus t1. Then we get the quadratic equation. Question number 25. What is question number 25? Shopkeeper buys number of books. Question number 25. This question what is given? Total cost is given. Total cost of books. Total cost of books is rupees 80. There are two things. One is number of books, and another is cost of each book. Let number of books be rupees X and cost of each book be rupees 1. Then total cost how we get? Remember total cost will be equal to number of books into cost of each book. So that is X into Y. But they given total cost 80 rupees. So you should understand X into Y is equal to 80 rupees. This is one equation. Now total cost related comes number of articles into number of articles into cost of each article. So a number of articles X, cost of each article Y. So total cost is X into Y. They have given x into y is equal to 80. That is the equation 1. In the second case, what happened? Number of books is increased. If number of books increased by 4, the number of books becomes x plus 4. Then what is happening if number of books is increased? Cost of each book is reduced by 1. So cost of each book is reduced by 1 rupee. What is what? Cost of each book will be y minus 2. Here also total cost applied, total cost is equal to number of books into cost of each book. That is x plus 4 into y minus 1. In this case, what? X plus 4 equal to y minus 1 equal to total cost again, 80 rupees. We should multiply with x into y, xy minus x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 80. We already know x into y is equal to 80, so here we substitute 80. 80 minus x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 80. So 80 we can cancel. Now everywhere we can change the minus symbol. So x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. So by this our equation x minus 4 into, from here y is equal to 80 by x. Automatically we have to x y is equal to 80 by x. In place of y, I have to substitute 80 by x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now that is, we should take LCM here. X into x squared minus 320 plus x into 4, 4x. 4 divided by x is equal to 0. If you transpose x as well, our equation is x squared plus 4x minus 320 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now we have to find the roots of the equation by formula method. Now, factors of 320, 20 into 60, 20 minus 60, 20 minus 60, 4, and 20 into 16, 320. So, we can write it as x square plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 is equal to 0. So, x common, x plus 20 minus 16 common, x plus 20. So, what x plus 20 into x minus 16 is equal to 0. So x plus 20 is equal to 0, or x minus 16 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 20 or x is equal to 60. Therefore, we have to find how many books we bought. Number of books. How many bought? 60. This is question number 5. Next question number 27 is there, 27 is done, or 25 is done, 24. So number 24 we will this question just zero. Find the total number of arrows with Arjuna. So here what we do, let the total number of arrows with Arjuna in X, we take it as X. Then according to the question, first what happened? Half of the arrows we cut down the arrows thrown by Vishnu. So half of X. So that is X by 2. Then you six other arrows include the driver of Vishnu. Six should be added because six more he used. With one arrow each, he marked down respectively the other flag and the bow. So for these three things, he used three arrows. So plus three should be added. Finally, with one more than four times the square root of the arrows. So you have to come from back. First arrows, then square root of arrows. Arrows are x. Square root of arrows are root x. Four times the square root of arrows. So four should be multiplied. One more. So one should be added. This is what the last case used. So finally, all these together collectively it is equal to total number of arrows. Total number of arrows is x. This part is used. Half of the arrows x by 2 is used to arrows thrown by to cut down the arrows thrown by Bhishma. Next, six are used to kill the rug driver. Then three are used for flag, rug, and bow. And this one case four root x. One more than four times the square root of x is used to lay Bhishma unconscious. So total together it should be equal to x. We have to simplify this. This is x by 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 root x is equal to x. From this we have to get the equation. If we take LCM, it is x plus 20 plus 8 root x all divided by x all divided by 2 is equal to x. Transpose to here. Then x plus 20 plus 8 root x is equal to 2x. Transpose this x plus 20 that side, and we get 8 root x is equal to 2x minus x minus 8 root x. Then 8 root x we don't need to transpose. What we transpose that side? X and 20. So x is minus x plus 20 we need to transpose that side minus 20. So we get 8 root x is equal to 2x minus x minus 20. So till now we got equation like this: 8 root x is equal to x minus 20. We do not want root here, so we will squaring on both the sides. Then if you square here, it becomes 64x is equal to x minus 20 whole square. Now we should expand it. 64x is equal to a minus b whole square, x square plus 20 square is 400 minus 2 into x into 20. So which is x square minus 40x plus 400. The 64x also you have to transfer that side to become minus 64x is equal to 0. So finally it is x square minus 40x minus 64x minus 104x plus 400 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. You have to get the factors of 400 such that we get 104. 104 minus 100 minus 3. So it can be written x square minus 100x minus 4x plus 400 is equal to 0. You can take x common, x minus 100 minus 4 common again, x minus 100 is equal to 0. Maybe x minus 100 into x minus 4 equal to 0. If x minus 100 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0, so once x is equal to 100 or x is equal to 4. We cannot take x is equal to 4 because we used 6 arrows only to fill the run rate. So it should be more than 4. So therefore, total number of arrows is what? Total number of arrows. It's 100. This is the question number 23. 23 and 24 is this is the number 23 is the rule. Wait. It's 23. Similar to the flight problem. Space, similar to the this problem. We are asking to find the speed of the train. So we will take first, let the speed of the train be. Speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. And distance is given. Distance is what? 240 kilometers. What I said formula, time is equal to distance by speed. You have to remember this. Now time in the first case, T1. Total distance is 240 kilometers and speed we took x kilometers per hour. So time is equal to T1, 240 by x. Later what happened? Another train whose speed is 12 kilometers per hour less takes an hour longer. So one more train, two trains are there. One train is x kilometers per hour we have taken. One more train is there. Another train speed is 12 kilometers per hour less than the first train. So if first train speed is x kilometers per hour, then speed of another train will be what? Speed of another train 12 kilometers per hour less. So here what it is, if it is first train x kilometers per hour, second train x minus 12 kilometers per hour. But distance is same for both. So in this case, time t2 is equal to distance is same 240 over. But speed is x minus 12. So we should take x minus 12. And it is mentioned second train because its speed is less, 12 kilometers per hour speed is less. It is taking 1 hour more. So T2 is 1 hour more than T1. So here the equation will be T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 hour. Difference in time is 1 hour. So here again T2 is what 240 by x minus 12 minus 240 by x is equal to 1 hour. Second case time, first case time, second case time 1 hour it is more. That's why we have to subtract both. Now if you take LCM, what we get 240 into x, we should multiply these two and here also minus 240 into x minus 12 by x into x minus 12 is equal to 1. This is 240x minus 240x minus into minus plus 240 into 12 0 8 4. Again 4 8 is yeah. 1 which was 2 4 given. So 2 4 is equal. So 1 is 2 8 8 0. So that is plus 2880 by x square minus 2x is equal to 1. Here plus 240x minus 240x will be cancelled. We cancel that side. And equation becomes x square minus 12x plus 2880 is equal to 0. Now you have to take the factors of 2880 such that we get 12. 2880. So you can write it as 288 into 10, which is 2 into 144 into 2 into 5. We have to get 12 there. So here we got already we got 2 into 2 into 5 into 144. This is 20, this is 144. You do not get 12 from these two. So one more to add here, 2 into 2 into 5. One more we will take. Into this will become 72. This is what now? 8 5 is 40 and 72. 40 and 72 also we do not get 12. And one more we add here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. It becomes 80 and here it will be 36. 80 and 36 also we do not get. Then if you write 3 here, 1 3, which got 2, 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. What it is 3 5 is 15 ends up 120 here. Let's factorize this. So 0 36. For now, we will next. So 1 2 we have to add here and 3 add here. Please. Please add in. I want to get over the 1 2 4 and give me to start it. We will be familiar. This is the floor to the price of 70 to 60. Other factors are coming in, coming in, coming in, which is 60, 60 minus 48, 12. So we have two factors like this x square minus 60x plus 48x plus 28x here is equal to 0. Hope you understood how we got here, how we here. Now also take x common first, x minus 60 plus 48 common, x minus 60 is equal to 0. So we want x minus 60 into x plus 48 is equal to 0. So one then x minus 60 is equal to 0 or x plus 48 is equal to 0. X is equal to 60 or x is equal to minus 48. So string cannot be negative. Then string of radius it's still equal to this number. This is question number 23. Question number 22. So okay, this is this question number 23 is also about previous. But this is different from the previous. In this question, they said that one train travels in north direction and another train travels in west. So you'll be having a triangle like this. One, the first train travels due to west and the second train due to north. In north, the triangle will be there like this. What happens here, the both are traveling from here and this point, and from here, one is going in north direction and another is going in this direction. In these two directions, it can be. And after 2 hours, let us take first train is here, first train is in this direction. So this is what first train, this is what second train. So let us take first train is at A after 2 hours, second train is at B, and they both travel started from C. This is the station. From station, one is going this direction and other is going north direction. They both are moving perpendicularly each other. So after 2 hours, the distance between them will be hypotenuse. And it is given after 2 hours they are 130 kilometers apart. That means the distance between two is 130 kilometers. This is 130 kilometers. What is given? The first train travels due west and second train travels due north. The first train travels 35 kilometers faster than the second train. So, if second train travels with x kilometers per hour, and first train travels with x plus 35 kilometers per hour speed. These two are speeds, but we want distances. So, remember speed is equal. We want distances. So distance is equal to speed into time. Let's say 2 hours time they take to travel these two distances. So distance is equal to speed is x plus 35 into 2 hours, which is 2x plus 70. This is what AC. AC is what? AC distance is 2x plus 70. Similarly, this is AC. You want BC also. BC also, again, same form, distance formula. That is also speed here. Speed take the speed of the first train is x kilometers per hour. So x into 2 hours. That is 2x. So BC is 2x and AC is 2x plus 70 and AB is 130. So because it is a right angle triangle, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So first we write let the speed of the first train be speed of second train. Speed of second train in x kilometers per hour. Because time is 2 hours, then distance also we can write. Distance traveled by second train according to 2 hours. Distance is what we see there. BC is equal to 2 into x kilometers. This is BC. Similarly, speed of first train, because it is 30 kilometers per hour more, it will be x plus 35 kilometers per. The distance traveled by second train will be second train. AC is equal to 2 into x plus 35, that is 2x plus 7. This is x. And we already know AB. We already know AB is equal to 1 given. Given AB is equal to 130 given. Therefore, you know AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So 130 whole square is equal to AC is 2x plus 70 whole square plus BC is 2x whole square. So if you expand, it is 16900 is equal to 2x whole square plus 70 whole square plus 2 into 2x equal to 70. It is again 2x whole square. Now matrix is completely this side, so that is 4x square plus 4900 plus 64 728. So 280x plus again 4x square is equal to 169,900. So this is if you simplify this 4x square plus 4x square 8x square plus 280x. This is 4,900 should be transposed that side. Or transpose 16,900 this side. Becomes 4,900 minus 16,900, which is 2,000. This is our quadratic equation, but we can divide everywhere by age. So we get our equation as x square, then this is divided by 4 is 2x square, then 4 7 28, so 7 is 70x minus 3,000. So we can divide by 2. Taking x square plus 35x minus 1500 is equal to 0. So this is our equation. We have to find the factors of 1500 such that we get 47. 1500 factors. We need 500 500 520 this is 116 and 25 and one. Yeah, 25. We have to factor age. Factor is equal to the rest. This is square plus 35x plus 60x. Which is 35x minus 1500. Equivalent factors are 60 and 25. 60 minus 25 is 35. So this is square plus 60x minus 25x minus 1500 is equal to theta. X comma x plus 16 minus 25 comma x plus 16. 0 0. So x plus 16 equal x minus 25 is equal to 0. X plus 60 is equal to 0. Or x minus 25 is equal to 0. Or x is equal to minus 60. Or x is equal to 34. X is equal to minus 60 we cannot take. Therefore x is equal to 25 is the star. The speed of second train is 25 kilometers per hour. And speed of first train is how much more it is 35 kilometers more. X plus 35 is equal to 25 plus 35 is 60 kilometers per hour. In the second train. First train, second train. Variable after 10 years. Join. Join of my student. Okay. This is done. Question number one questions we will show. Question number the first previous one is show what property is done. 21 is also done. This question number 21. This is not unknown. All these are speed, distance, time related. These all are important not only for your board, for your competitive exam also. This question what is given? Motor boat is in water. Speed of the boat is given. Given speed of motor boat. Speed of motor boat in still water it is given. Still water means not flowing. Is 11 kilometers per hour. And distance is given. Distance is how much? For upstream and downstream, distance is 12 kilometers. But here, one thing you have to know when it is motor boat, there will be two types of streams upstream and downstream. So, when it is going in downward direction, we call it as downstream. The same boat, if it is going in upward direction, we call it as upstream. So when it is going downward direction, speed of the boat and speed of the stream both will be added. If it is going in downward direction, speed of the boat and speed of the stream will be added. They are asking to find speed of the stream. So we take let the speed of the stream. Speed of stream will x kilometers per hour. We take speed of the stream will x kilometers per hour. Now here boat speed is 11 kilometers per hour. Already it is given. And stream speed is x kilometers per hour. I told these two will be added in the downstream. So in the downstream, boat speed will be x plus or x plus 11 plus x kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the boat in downstream. I mean upstream what happens? Speed of the stream will be subtracted. So here what happens? Boat speed 11 minus x. Because speed of the stream should be subtracted from speed of the boat in upstream. So this is what speed of the boat in upstream. So now we have to write speed of the boat. Speed of boat in upstream is we should subtract 11 minus x kilometers per hour. Speed of the boat in downstream is 11 plus x kilometers per hour. So here very important. First we have to what we have to do. What is the speed of the boat in still water? What is the speed of the stream? We need to separate speed of the boat and speed of the stream. If it is upstream, speed of the stream should be subtracted from speed of the boat. 11 minus x. If it is downstream, speed of the stream should be added to speed of the boat. 11 plus x. And we got speed in upstream, speed in downstream. We also know distance. Distance is same in upstream and downstream. Now what we have to find? Time again. What we have to find? Time. So time in upstream. Time in upstream. What is the formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. Time in upstream we have to find first. Time in upstream is what? T1 is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 12 kilometers. In upstream speed is 11 minus x. So 12 by 11 minus x 7 seconds. Similarly, time in downstream we have to find. What is time in downstream? T2 1 by 11 plus is equal to 12 by 11 plus x hours. Now after this you have to observe carefully whether difference in time is given or sum of time is given, total time is given. They mentioned it's taking time to go upstream and to return back downstream to the original point. Means if the 2 hours 45 minutes is the total time to go and to come back. Sometimes it even mentioned it takes 1 hour more upstream than downstream. And their difference of time is given. But here it is mentioned the total time to go upstream and to come back to the same point. They have taken 2 hours 45 minutes. My means you should understand it is total time. Total time is you have to take P1 plus P2 is equal to 2 hours. 45 minutes should be converted into hours. That is 45 by 60. After cancellation, 15 3s are 15 4s are. So if you change this to improper fraction, let us substitute this T1 at T2. T1 is what? 12 by 11 minus x plus 12 by 11 plus x is equal to, if you change this into improper fraction, 2 4 is 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. To take LCM. Now again we have to take LCM this side. It is 12 into 11 plus x plus 12 into 11 minus x by 11 minus x into 11 plus x. It's looking like a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is what? A square minus b square. So 121 minus x square. 11 square is 121 minus x square is equal to 11 by 4. Now we have to simplify this. 11 into 12, 132 plus 12x 12 plus again 132 minus 12x by 121 minus x square is equal to 11 by past. So here what happens? Plus 12x minus 12x will be cancelled. Remaining what is left over? 121 minus x square into 11 is equal to 4 into 160, 260, 4. Transpose 11 also that's it because 264 is divisible by 11. 264 is exactly divisible by, how do I know? 2 plus 4? 6. Alternatively, sum of digits it is equal. If alternatively sum of digits it is equal, that is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. If you can transpose 11 that side or directly from 11 you can cancel. 11 ones are 11 2 is a 22. Okay. 4 will be there. 4 4 42. So 11 4 is a 42. So we got 121 minus x square is equal to 4 into 24 into what? 96. Transpose 121 that side. Then minus x square is equal to 96 minus 121. How much it is? 121 minus 96. 5. 11 minus 20 minus 100. So one is minus x square is equal to minus 25. X square is equal to 25. X is equal to plus or minus 5. X is equal to plus or minus. X can't be taken negative because it is speed. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, speed of stream is 5 kilometers per hour. Speed of stream is 5 kilometers per hour. Yes, question is totally fine. These are so long. But it is the what kind of time? We want to get this stage and this stage complete work. This stage and complete work. Then one day is complete purpose. You need examples to complete work. Another day complete purpose. Similarly, here the question is find the time in which each particle to fill the system. Then if you take each 1 5 takes x minutes to fill the system, you take the time taken by the first system. Is given 2 5 given fill the system in 6 minutes. 1 5 days, 5 minutes more than the other guy. So you take first 5, you take 8 minutes. You take first, you take first 5, you take 6 minutes. Then in 1 minute, how much is it? 1 by x. You have to know that's it. You take 60x, you calculate it, you on the x force of the system. So you take let the time taken by first system, first 5 x days. Then work done by first system, zero system. Calculated by 5 calculated by first 5 or done by first 5. So done by first 5 in 1 minute is 1 minute. If calculating by system is experience, second, even 5 minutes more. In what time taken by second 5 will be expressed by years. The same way work done by second 5 in 1 minute is 1 by expressed by. So 1 by is taking 1 by x, that by is taking 1 by expressed by. In one work that I can find here, work done by 2 by x together in 1 minute. To what? 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1. And they are taking together 6 minutes. 2 by x together they are taking 6 minutes together. When in 1 minute, taking 1 by 6. The by together taking 1 by 6. So this total value will be equal to 1 by 6. Should write it as 1 by 6. So if we take this one is x plus 5 plus x by x plus x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Which is 2x plus 5 by x square plus 5x is equal to 1 by 6. Give you cross multiplication x square plus 5x is equal to 1 is 2x plus 5. You cancel this x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 30. So what is x square minus 7x is 30. And so that is equal to 7. X square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. So it's common. X minus 10 plus 3 common. X minus 10 is equal to 0. So what is x minus 10? X plus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus x minus 10 is equal to r. This is equal to x plus 3 is equal to. So x is equal to 10 r. X is equal to 96. So I am negative. I am taken by first one. I am taken first one. It's always giving us reflective cognitive finance topics. This is the summa. Number is more than the sum of its digits, and y is the product of its digits. Find the number. So, two digit number is about a two digit number. Whenever a two digit number has 10 digits, one digit, and the number one is. One digit will be is one digit will be one, and the number will be n plus one. So here what they said, a two digit number is more than the sum of its digits. What is two digit number? We should take first. Let tens digit of the number be ones digit or units digit of number be. Then the number is what? The number is 10x plus. Right. But what we said, the number is more than the sum of the digits. Means what? 10x plus y is equal to 4 of x plus 1. So from this 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y. Transpose y here and 4x here. 10x minus 4x is equal to 4y minus y. We get here 6x is equal to 3. Right? We can divide everywhere 3. So we get 2x is equal to 1. This is one equation. And one more what they said. And the number is also equal to twice the product of its digits. So the number is again 10x plus y. And that is also equal to twice means 2 times. Product of digits is x into y. 3 into x into y. So here 10x plus y will be equal to 2x into y. So we got y is equal to 2x. Wherever y is there, there we write 2x. And what is 10x plus 2x is equal to 2x into 3x. So that means this is 2x is equal to 4x squared. When you transpose 2x that side, 4x squared minus 12x is equal to 0. We can take 4x common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 by 4x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by 4, 0 or x is equal to 3. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3, but x is equal to 0 we cannot take. Because if x is 0, then there will not be a 4-digit number. X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, we are asked to find the number. If x is equal to 3, what is y? If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, the number is, what is number 10x plus y? Which is 10 into 3 plus, which is 36. Number is 36. So number that is also done. Now, what we should have is house distribution. Children. H. Problems H. The second meter. 4x squared minus 2 of a squared plus b squared into x plus a squared b squared is equal to 0. So we multiply these two. When we multiply these two, what we get? 4a squared b squared. Our factors should be 2a squared 2b squared minus 2b squared minus 2b squared. Or just we multiply this, we get it as 4x squared minus 2a squared x minus 2b squared x. From these two, what is common? 4 x is common, then x minus b squared is left. From these two, what is common? Only b squared is common. Yeah. Small change. We can't take 2, 4 common here. We can take only 2 and x common. You want to have 2x minus a squared. Minus here b square common. Okay, you want to have 2x minus a square is equal to 3. So now 2x minus a square is common. Then 2x minus b square will be here. So minus 2x minus a square is equal to 0. Or 2x minus b square is equal to 0. 2x is equal to a square. Or 2x is equal to b square. X is equal to a square by 2. Or x is equal to b square by 2. Yes. You hope will help you get question number 26. 26 already we discussed. 26 we discussed. Yes. That's last 26. 6 is similar to the first of each book. Expenses is given. Total daily expense. Total daily expense is how much? Rupees 360. The number of days and expenditure on each day you have to find. Let the number of days be expenditure for each day. Expenditure each day be one. And what is total expenditure? How do you get total expenditure? Number of days expenditure for each day into total expenditure. That is x into but they given research. That means what? X into y is equal to x. But in the second case, what happened? He exceeded 2 by 4 days. He exceeded 2 by 4 days. Then what it gives that becomes expense level. When cost per each day is reduced by 3 rupees. Expenditure per each day. Per day is 1 minus 3. So expense 4 minus. Now total cost is what? X plus 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to total cost. How much? 360. You multiply this again, x into y minus 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 360. Oh, this is what 360 anyway. So this 360 extra and this one both will be cancelled. Now what will it? Minus 3x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 3. Now from this y is equal to what? 360 by we have to substitute this here. So we let us multiply everywhere minus. Then 3x minus 4 into y is what? 360 by x. This minus will become plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will take LCM. We becomes 3x square 36 force 144. 144 is minus 1440 plus 12x whole divided by x is equal to 0. Now our equation is 3x square plus 12x minus 1440 is equal to 0. We can divide everything by 3. The equation becomes x square plus 4x minus 3 4 the 12 3 8 the 3 0. We have to take the factors of 480 such that we get 4. 2 important 2 120 2 16 2 30 we got 60 and 30. So now 2 50 3 5 different combinations in 5, which is 20, one more combination. 24 into 20. So we can write that x square plus 24x minus 20x minus 20 is equal to 0. Then x into x plus 24 minus 20 into x plus 24. Equal to 1 x plus 24 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x plus 24 is equal to 0. X minus 20 is equal to x is equal to minus 24. X is equal to 20. We cannot take minus 20 here, number of days. Therefore, number of days is what? Good. You enough. What do you do? You need to. I'm going to discuss.